Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another unboxing episode. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Tarmac Works Nissan GTR Nismo GT3, which is the winner of the Legion of Races livery contest in 2020. So before going into the unboxing, I'll quickly give you a rundown of the box. So you have both the sides of the box open to get a real nice look of the car. And also you can see that this is a collaboration model between Legion of Racers and Tarmac Works. On the rear side of the box you have the Tarmac Works logo, the Legion of Racers logo, as well as the Nissan Motor Corporation, which states that it's an official licensed product. So just to give you a brief introduction as to what Legion of Racers are, they are a small gaming firm that is based in Singapore, if I'm not mistaken. So they specializes in creating game sims. So they basically run a contest to basically select a livery for one of their game sim cars, and this is the livery that won the first place. And they basically teamed up with Tarmac Works to basically get them onto this particular Nissan GTR model and then release this particular product. So that is why it's a collaboration model that is basically made between Tarmac Works as well as Legion of Racers. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So as always, this is a limited edition product, and that is your collector card that comes with the Tarmac Works models. I'll leave it there. So that's the box, and let's open it up. So it says this particular product is limited to only 1,248 cars. So let's quickly unscrew this from its base. The wheels of this car moves, but the rear wheels are a bit tight. Nevertheless, it's an awesome looking livery. I really like this livery on this particular GTR. It looks awesome on this particular car. You can see that you have the racing number on the car. It says Gran Turismo 18 and the Tarmac Works logo. On the wheels you have the Michelin logo, as well as you can see the brake discs very clearly. You have the detailed door handles. Comes in nice light blue color. Side mirrors. That's the front side of the car. The headlights are done in plastic, and you also have the GTR logo with the Nismo logo as well. You have the wipers. That's the rear side. Again, you have the Nissan logo, as well as the Legion of Racers logo for the decals, and the rear brake lights are pretty detailed as well. I really love the spoiler that comes in black color, and also you have a huge Logitech decal, a sponsor decal on the spoiler itself. So if you look closer in the interior, you can see that the roll cage is pretty detailed in the interior, and it comes all the way to the front, and you can see that roll cage from the front windows or the windshield. So overall, once again, Tarmac Works has produced an awesome looking car in collaboration with Legion of Racers. Kudos to Tarmac Works. I really love this particular production as well. So that's about it, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the like button, and also please subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified when we upload any new videos in the future. Until then, stay tuned.